I have a sharp 90-inch power supply that was sent in. The set turns on and then back off. So I don't have the whole TV to live test the power supply, but I have over here my main board bypass jumpers. I'm gonna focus on this IC chip right here. First thing I'm gonna do is spray that IC with some isopropyl alcohol, and then we're gonna plug it in. We heard it click. One thing I want to notice is how quickly that isopropyl alcohol is evaporating. So let's do another check right here with our thermocouple and see what temperatures we're getting to. We're getting 116, and this is Celsius. Nope, this is Fahrenheit, 125, sorry. Still on, still evaporating, getting hotter and hotter. And it just clicked off, 166. I'm gonna plug it back in and do another check. Oh, and you know what? This time it clicked off a lot faster. So as the IC is heating up, it's not allowing the set to stay on as long. So the hotter this IC gets, the faster the power supply is turning off. So let's go ahead and replace it and see what that does for us. I'm gonna add some fresh solder on all of the pins first. I'm gonna be using the FR301 desoldering gun. And I'm gonna use a little bit of desolder wick to finish it off with my soldering iron. All right, IC fell right through. So that was our original. We'll go ahead and put our replacement in next. And for the installation, I'm gonna start by soldering one of the legs on one side, and then I'll go to the opposite side, lock it in, and then I can work my way around to the rest. And now we can retest. So let's spray it up again, and we'll plug it back in. So it doesn't look like the alcohol is evaporating, at least not nearly as fast, or actually at all in fact. Let's do a check with our thermocouple. And we're getting 97 or so. So it is still evaporating, but the isopropyl alcohol does evaporate on its own as well. And we're not getting above 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And then something else to mention is, well, it's been about 20 or 30 seconds and it hasn't turned off. We'll go ahead and let it play for about 20 more minutes and come back to it. All right, so we're just coming back to our board. It looks like everything is still working, so we're all set. It looks like we have another successful repair. If you found the content helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.